Imagine taking a normal breath, something you do thousands of times a day without even thinking about it. Your lungs expand gently, filling with air, delivering oxygen to your body with every breath. Inside your lungs are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli, where oxygen passes into your blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, is removed from your body as you breathe out. This process keeps your cells alive, your brain active, and your body functioning normally. But what happens when your lungs begin to fail? Lung failure does not always happen suddenly. It can begin slowly deep inside the airways. Inflammation can develop, causing the airways to become swollen and narrow. As this happens, less air is able to move in and out of the lungs. In more serious cases, fluid can begin to collect inside the alveoli. When fluid fills these air sacs, oxygen can no longer pass easily into the blood. As a result, the level of oxygen in your bloodstream begins to drop. Your body reacts quickly, trying to compensate for the lack of oxygen. You may start breathing faster, but it still doesn't feel like enough. A person may feel short of breath even while resting. The chest may feel tight, and every breath can become more difficult than the last. As oxygen levels continue to fall, the brain begins to feel the effects. Confusion, dizziness, and extreme fatigue can begin to appear. Without enough oxygen, vital organs start to struggle and may begin to fail. This is why lung failure is a serious medical emergency, and quick treatment can save lives, restore oxygen flow, and give the body a chance to recover.